Hey everybody, it's Psychic Hunter David. Well, it is Tuesday, and today is the eclipse. So the eclipse hits, I think it's about 2:45 until after 3, or in around 2 something until 3. You're able to actually see it from Mississauga, which is really interesting, is I didn't see any of the eclipse glasses. Now, this is one of the circle rings, and it's a solar eclipse, daytime. You will feel things happening. I could go on about each and every sign, but I'm not going to do that. I will do that again another time. This is going to go on for a couple of years, and yes, that's a hair. This is going to go on for a couple of years. The nodes move, which in the Hebrew faith is the hand of God. The yod moves from Pisces to Aquarius come July. And Jupiter is going to move into Leo. So it's really quite interesting to see the dynamics of the South Node in Leo with Jupiter there, because that expands what we let go of, wherever your Leo placement is in your astrology, which everybody has something somewhere. The other thing I was going to say is the fact that I do have the special on, remember that, and a lot of people have taken advantage of it. And it's very easy to, hook up on WhatsApp or Zoom. Zoom's kind of like the Bentley of WhatsApp. WhatsApp's more commonplace, but it still works, and it's good, and it's what it's for. And it's about being able to try to record to send, because if someone has an Android, it's not as easy for me to send them the actual recording because I have an Apple phone. So anyway, it all comes out in the wash, as my grandmother would say. Other than that, we are moving closer and closer and closer to spring. And today it's that sort of misty weather here in Toronto, where it's kind of, I think it's like +3 or something. I hadn't really looked. And one of the things that really is interesting, I was meditating, and it came to me that in the course of the next 9 weeks, it's May 1st. Now that's Thanksgiving to Christmas. So we are on the home stretch to warm weather and spring. This is the time when you really bust a move to really get yourself in shape, get yourself really focused and organized about the things you want to do, prepare for the power walking, do all these things that you really want to be able to do for spring. Because, Easter's like 7 weeks from now. And then you get into Easter, and then boom, the weather changes. So usually it's last week of April, when Easter's later, that it's warmer. But it'll still be nice, and it's going to be getting better. And of course, by then, hopefully the snow will have gone and stopped. We're going to get a little bit of a blast again this week, but it won't be for long. But anyway, I am around if you're wanting to give me a call or a text, and we can arrange things. And other than that, I hope you have a wonderful day. You heard it here first, and get out there. I would not stare at that eclipse. I'd rather you guys look at it on television, because they have filters. It's far better, but it is going to affect everybody. I wish you all the best. Cheers.